To part 5. The goal of this video is to get it running. Okay, I got the last few bits in the post. So let's top it all up and get it started. Okay, so fill this up. It's about fill to spill. So I'm just going to inject it into there. I don't know where the horn is. I just realised, and a few other things. The headlight works and the front indicators work, but nothing on the back. So I'm gonna have to fault find. That is for the. Well, we know that's for the. Not the starter. That's for the brake. So yeah, to fault find. It could be a fuse. It could be a bulb. But I think we'll start with the bulb. Check the bulbs first. Right. Yeah, let's do the electrics first before we put the tank on and stuff. Got headlight working. That's something. That's one thing. High beam, flasher, horn. Indicators. I don't know what the indicators are. Oh, that's the indicator. Obviously not connected. Okay, the back is not connected. Fine. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I can get the headlight to come on. I don't think this is correct, because that's down, that's the wrong way, I think. And then, yeah, I don't know, but this light starts lighting up when I touch this button. But nothing else happens. I want to hear, like, you know, I want to hear, that's the horn button. That's nothing as well, so that's not good. Okay, let's give this a good old fiddle then. So it's electric now, great. Right, so no luck. And this doesn't look great. Got some just duct tape to hide some bad things. This wire looks a bit melted, so that's not good news. Oh dear. Okay, well, time to go for a coffee and have a think. And this doesn't look great particularly either. But I'm still getting power. So like this red thing was just for the lights. I don't know, very weird. I popped one fuse at the back there, so that could be it. And then there's a switch here as well. So I need to order some fuses, which I'll order. I need to find a new switch. It's very dirty in here, and the plastic is very worn. So yeah, I'll have to go find a new switch. So take some pictures of this, and then make sure I can order this same one again. Oh, what a pain. Okay, so probably should be doing something else today, but who cares? This is priority. So that is not that I'm pretty sure. Actually, you know what? So I don't think we've got any neutral light. So that light always comes on. I think. I'm gonna have to double check this. I don't have a neutral light. I don't think it works. That's fine. Whatever. It could be that or this is broken. Because it's all busted up anyway. But that's something. That's better than nothing. The rest of the lights won't work because I've blown the fuse, but the bike should still start up. So these two wires here are the kill switch. I've taken the entire switch apart. So obviously the kill switch is a bit to blame, but this whole internal mechanism has basically died. It's just internal corrosion. Internal corrosion. I've cleaned it up as best as I could, but I think the internal, you can see it's really dirty in there. Internal corrosion has killed it, so I literally just bypassed that. And now now it's turning on, but this button doesn't do anything. So I'm gonna go and I think I'll just wire in a switch, just wire in a little toggle switch, and then I'll just have a mess of buttons I think on the dash instead. So I need to go find a spare switch and wire in a switch. Oh come on, you clicked a minute ago. Oh jeez. Yeah, look at that. Yes, switch. So you've seen that footage from my phone. I had to send it to Mikey because yeah, he double confirmed that it was probably the switch. Watching his bike start up as well was a big help, because I could see. So I won't probably have a kill switch. I probably will just wire them together, and then I just need to wire a proper start button here. I'm going to cut this down a bit, and then I'll have to have an indicator. I'll try to. So I'd like to have a start. I'll have to have a start button about here, or just a button. Maybe I could reuse the housing or something. It's Boxing Day, so if I order the switches now, I'm going to try and get some switches, just a starter and kill switch for now, and then I'll get the rest. And oh, there we go. Wait for that monitor to switch back on again. I need to find me some good deals. See what I've got going on. Problem with project bikes, you get stalled and then you don't return to them, and then when you do return to them, oh whatever. Anyway, so I can order these bits today. I can redo the front brake because it still needs redoing, and I can do some other snagging. Maybe install the fuel lines so they're the correct length and stuff. There is little bits to do while I'm waiting for the switches to come. I have to work out what I'm going to do for an indicator as well. Unfortunately, that part that I need, one is 150 quid for the switches, but that's the OEM ones, but they're out of stock everywhere. Even if they're 150 quid new, I'd probably get one eventually, but 150 quid, I'm going to make my own switches. It's about £10 for a kill starter switch, and then I'll have to fashion up some in something with the indicator. Maybe 3D print something, just a little bracket with a little switch so I can flick the indicators. Can I rob it off another bike maybe? Oh, I have to have a think. I'll have a think. First of all, I'll just do the starter stopper thing, then we'll go from there. Right, let's order these bits. So I put the tank on and I tried to start it. It just didn't want to go. I do need a new switch. It's very close, but I can't start it without without me holding the clutch in. So I'm not getting a neutral light. So I'm guessing the sensors at the bottom broken or something. I don't know, but it's not showing neutral up here. So I don't get my neutral light. So I don't know what's wrong at the bottom. So so this is the horn wire. This leads down to the horn, so it's not plugged in, so that's why the horn's not working. But also the horn's got a load of cracks on it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wire it up to a battery to see if it will start or sound. And then this is to do with I think this is to do with the neutral light. So I think I've got wires plugged in the wrong places. It's the only thing I can think of, because I'm not getting a neutral light. The only thing I can think of doing is possibly wiring these two together so that I trick it into thinking that the clutch is pulled in all the time, which I don't really want to do, but these wires are all exposed anyway, so that's not great. We might do that, but let's try to wire up some indicator switches. Well, that's all for this time, I think. So I tracked it down to the switches. I'm going to replace the switches, do the fuses. I'm going to test the horn to make sure that works. Yeah, electrical problems. And then hopefully this will be running in the next episode. So I guess the only way to find out is come back next time. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, drop it a like, leave a comment, whatever. Thank you, patrons. I've spent a lot of hours now doing this bike and a lot of money. So yeah. Anyway, that's it. See you in the next video. Bye.